Hello guys, welcome to the JavaScript tutorial. Previously we have discussed several topics: data types, operators, control flow, function, hoisting, temporal dead zone, objects, constructor function, class, oops, and today we'll discuss about an array. An array is an object which can store multiple values and it can hold mixed data types. So now we can create the array in different ways. One is we can create an array from the array object, or we can declare an array with the square brackets. In the square bracket, we can define the values, and the values will be like separated by the commas. And we'll discuss the array methods like index of, push, pop, unshift, shift, splice, slice, sort, fill. And we'll discuss all the methods with the examples one by one. Array we can create from the array object. So now I can check the type of this array. Okay. So the type of the array is object. We can declare the array different ways like the square brackets, and in here we can define different values. These values are being called the array elements, and the position of these values are being called index. So array index starts from 0. It means 0 पोजीशन में 10 है, 1 पोजीशन में 20 है, 2 पोजीशन में 30 है एंड 3 पोजीशन में 4 है. सो इसका पोजीशन क्या है? 0, 1, 2, 3. This is the positions basically. Now if we want to check the length of the array, then we can directly use array dot length. We can see as we have defined 10, then it's creating an array with the 10 indexes. See, 10 empty items. Okay, now if I'll check the array 1, then we can see we can get the array whatever we are getting here. But if we want to access of the elements of an array, then we can use the index of that array. Suppose if I use 0 index, so 0 index means it should give 10, right? Let's see. Say it's giving 10, and if I want 30, that means its index is 2. See, it's a 30. Now we'll discuss about index of. Index of means to find the index of an element. Okay, if I want to find the index of 10, then we can give the index of that 10. See, is giving 0. Now if I want to find the index of 40, then what it should give? 3, right? Let's see. Yeah, 3. Now if I'm trying to find out the element which is not in the array, like 50, then what will happen? Then it gives -1 always. So whenever the index of give -1, that means that element is not present in the array. And okay, we can change the value of the array also like this. If I want to give here 70, now I just want to print array. Sorry, array 1. If I'll give, then I'll just print this. See, it has been changed like 70, 20. So the 10 has been replaced by 70. Okay. Now, if we want to push an element to the end of the array, then we can use the push method. Array1 dot push method. Then we can give 90. So it will add 90 at the end of the array. Now, if I want to add this 90 at the beginning of the array, then I can use unshift. If I want to remove an element from the end of the array, then we can use only pop. This is the array. If I do pop, then the 40 should be removed from the array, right? Let's see. Yeah. If we want to remove an element at the beginning of the array, then we can use shift method. मतलब 10 बाहर हो जाएगा from the array. Let's see. Yeah. If we want to concatenate two arrays, then what will happen? Suppose I have array 1 and I have array 2. Like 1, 2, 3, 4. If you want to concatenate, it's array 1 dot concat, then array 2. So it's return an array by merging two arrays. Now we'll discuss about the fill method. The fill method means it fill the array with an element. Okay. If I want to fill the array 1 with the 0, तो हर इंडेक्स में 0 fill हो जाएगा. That's all. Now if I do the console log of array 1, see, it fill with 0. We can discuss about array multi-dimensional. ठीक है, जैसे 2 dimension array हम लोग कैसे डिफाइन करेंगे. Let array 3 2 dimensional array हम डिफाइन कर रहे हैं. जैसे 1,2 हो गया, then 3,4, then 5,6. In this way we can define 2-dimensional arrays. How can we access the element of 2-dimensional arrays? We can access like this: console dot log an array 0 0. Okay, now we'll discuss about 2-dimensional arrays graphically. जैसे मैंने यहीं पे रिप्रेजेंट कर दिया. 0 1 2, ये 2-dimensional है. 0 1, ठीक है. ये पे हम तीनों सब array डिफाइन किए, राइट. So this is like 1 2 3 4 5 6. तो हम लोग इसको कैसे एक्सेस करेंगे? 0 0 that mean 1, 0 1 that mean 2, 1 0 that mean 3, 1 1 that mean 4, 0 that mean 1. Array of 0 then 1, that means it should give 2. Then array of 1 then 0, it should give 3. Array of 1 then 1, it should give 4. Array of 2 then 0, it should give 5. Array of 2 then 1, it should give 6. So now array 3 0 0, we'll see what it gives. It gives 1, right? It's fine. Now we'll check array 1 0, it should give 3. Array 1 0, so yeah, it is giving 3. Now we'll check array 2 1, array 2 then 1, giving 6, giving 6. Now we can discuss about the splice method. With the splice method we can insert an element, we can delete an element, we can replace an element. How can we do that? We can check it. So this is the array, and with that array, if I want to delete an element, then how can I'll use the splice array2 dot splice. Then I have to give the position and the number. Number means delete the number of elements, numbers. पोजीशन मीन्स जहां से हम लोग इसको डिलीट कर सकते हैं. मान लो हम 0 इंडेक्स से शुरू करें and I want to delete one, just one number I want to delete, then what it should give? The splice will change the original array. Okay, if I'll simply console.log, then we can see the array too. See, it's removed one from the array. Now if I want to delete two elements from the 0 index, then what will happen? Then it will remove 1 and 2. See, it's deleted 1 and 2. If I want to delete the 1 index, means 2, then I just do this 1 3 4, right? So in that way we can delete the elements from the array. Now if we want to insert an element at a certain position, हम लोग तो पुश और अनशिफ्ट से एलिमेंट को इंसर्ट कर सकते हैं, बट एट द बिगिनिंग और in the end. But how can we add the elements in the middle of the array or in some position? ठीक है, तो what will be the scenario? Then what will be the scenario here? To like position, okay, then 0, then we want to add the new element. Okay, so क्या हो गया? 0 means we don't want to delete any elements, that's why I'm giving 0. Position mean कहाँ पे न्यू एलिमेंट को इंसर्ट करना है. मान लो मुझे इसको इंसर्ट करना है इन द थर्ड पोजीशन, मतलब 2 के बाद, मतलब 0 1 2, इन द 2 पोजीशन. ओके, एंड क्या एलिमेंट सेट करना? जस्ट आई वांट टू ऐड 9, सो इट शुड कम 1 2 9 3 4. लेट्स सी 1 2 9 3 4 in that way. If I want to add 9 after 3, then what will happen? Tell me. 0 1 2 3, in the third position I want to add it. Let's see what will happen. See, 0 1 2 3, then 9 4. Okay, you got it. We already discussed the size of an array is dynamic, so whatever we can add it. It won't create any issue. We have discussed insert and delete. Now we'll discuss about replace an item within the array. Okay, in here I'll give the position, then I'll give the number of items to be deleted, okay, and the new item which will be inserted or which will be replaced. Okay, number. Position means where I can replace the inserted number with the defined number in the array. This defines basically how many numbers I want to delete. Okay. Position in 0 1. In one position I just want to delete 1, I want to replace with 9. तो इसमें क्या होता है? रिप्लेस में इट विल नॉट इंक्रीज द साइज ऑफ द लेंथ. इसका लेंथ साइज सेम रहेगा, जस्ट एलिमेंट रिप्लेस हो जाएगा. तो 2 का जाएगा से 9 आ जाएगा, राइट? यू कैन चेक इट आउट. to console this. See, it came 1934. Now if I want to delete two elements, then what will happen? Let's see. Then it's just deleted two elements, right? लोग दो को डिलीट करके एक ऐड कर देगा, like 9. That's all. Now we'll discuss about the slice method. The slice method returns a new array selected from the start index to end index, but the end will be not included. We can see some example. It add a to array 2 dot slice, then I'm giving start index मतलब 0 to n index. n index मुझे देना है 1, तो इसका मतलब एक ही आएगा 1, right? Yeah. Now if I want to give 2, that means 0 1 will be included, so it should give 1 and 2. Yeah, but if I now want 2 and 3, then what do I need? 2 means the starting index will be 0 1 1, 2 and 3 0 1 2 3, it will be 3. So now it should go, now it should give 2 and 3. So now we'll discuss about the negative index. If I'll give the negative index uh, on start, then how the array behaves. We can see if I want to give the start index less than minus a dot length. अभी हम लोग का a dot length क्या है 4, तो -4 से छोटा होगा, then it will be like 0. The start index will be 0. Okay. अब मान लो हम लोग स्टार्ट इंडेक्स में दिए कुछ -2, then what will happen? Then क्या होता है, स्टार्ट इंडेक्स स्टार्ट प्लस एरे डॉट लेंथ, ये हो जाएगा तुम्हारा स्टार्ट. तो इसका मतलब क्या हो गया, स्टार्ट इंडेक्स में हम लोग दिए -2, तो -2 प्लस 4, so it will be like 2. The start index will be like 2. -2 means it should give 2. 2 to 3 means 0 1 2, so it's starting from 2 means 3, then 3, so it should give 3 only. Let's see. Yeah, now if I want to give -1, the -1 means the -1 plus 4, then it's a 3, 3 comma 3, then it should give empty array. Yeah, correct. If I want to give -5, that means array dot length क्या है 4. Okay, now so -5 is less than -4. Yes, तब क्या हो जाएगा, तब स्टार्ट हम लोग का 0 हो जाएगा. 0 मतलब इसमें आ जाएगा 0 कोमा, एक्चुअली इसमें क्या हो जाएगा 0,3, सॉरी 3. So 0,3 means 0 1 2 3 means 1 2 3. Yeah, correct. The same rule will be applied on the n index also. -3, then what will happen? So n index -3 means it will be like -3 plus 4. So 4 is the array length and -3 I'm giving the n index, so it will give 1. So 1 comma 1, that means it should give empty array. Yeah, now if I'll give -2, that means it should give 1. -2 means like what, 1 comma 2, that means 0 1 then 2, so it should give 2 only. Yes, correct. Now we'll discuss about the sort method. How can we do the sort an array? If I'll do the ascending order, means chota se boda, descending means boda se chota, right? Now if I'll do array dot sort, then what will happen? Yeah. So it's giving 2579, means it is the sort method is modifying the original array, right? Now if I'll give here 100, then what will do? See, it's not giving the correct value. So now we'll discuss about the compare function. So compare function basically determines the order of the element. Compare function में हम लोग दो argument use करेंगे, a and b मान लो. So a is the first element and b is the second element. तो इसमें हम लोग कैसे compare करेंगे? So the compare function will be like 2.sort. ठीक है, इसमें हम लोग मान लो a, b लिखें, then return a minus b. ठीक है, चेक करते हैं. See, now it gives the actual result 2, 5, 7, 9, then 100. Okay, but if I want to make it descending order, then I just change this b minus a. That's all. See, 109, 7, 5, 2. So how it's being doing actually, if I'll tell you in here, if a less than b, then just return -1. Okay, here okay, simply this. Yeah. Else, if a greater than b, then return 1, otherwise return 0. Yeah. If I want to do the descending order, simply I need to change here 1. This will be -1 and this will be 0. 100. So this is the basically under the hood the compare function is doing. If we want to sort the string, then the same way we can apply the sorting technique. Array 3, see, Obi, Kohli, Rohit, Sachin. So it is just checking the first alphabet of that string. Now if I want to make it in descending order, then simply I have to use and yeah, if a less than b, let's see what will happen. See, it giving the descending order. We can reverse the array with the reverse method. Array.3.reverse. Okay. See console.log reverse means it will be like Kohli, Rohit, Sachin, and Abhi. Yeah. So that's all from the part 1 session. We'll discuss the part 2 in the next session. Thank you for watching the video. Please subscribe.